Hi guys, it's your girl Jenna, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. I'll show you my outfit. So it says Happy Holidays and a Merry Chimichanga from Deadpool, and he's like laying down with like a doll. Yes, love Deadpool. So this is what I'm gonna wear. And then I also did like green eyeshadow. So Justin and I are gonna go to another like program. Supposedly we're gonna make snowflakes or something. I don't really know, but it's the same kind of program that we made that tile thing. So yeah, it doesn't start till like 7 and it's only 6:16. So in the meantime, I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos.
We're the only ones allowed to use the 3D printers.
Anyway, they're making a 3D print of this one's a snowman. It's just a stone. And it's using like glue and melting it into your objects. Justin, you want to say hi? I did a deer, and the file name is Oh Dear. Justin, stop.
Oh, tell him mine.
Oh, Justin, you want to tell him? You tell him.
I had a Christmas tree where I didn't want to offend anyone if they didn't celebrate Christmas, so I called it the tree of spirit.
It's a Christmas tree, and it's like 4 inches tall. It's gonna be 4 inches tall. So yeah, it's really bad lighting.
Just need to chip off this makeup.
No,
because
stop.
it's so thick.
No, it's not.
Any edits to it?
Look at Justin's Christmas tree.
It's on mute.
It's
Just
supposed to
in the
be.
room.
It's a snowflake, but the back kind of got messed up. But it's a snowflake.